And earlier in the day, Headlines Today's Kamaljeet Sandhu tried to ask some rapid-fire questions to the Bihar Chief Minister Jitan Ram Manjhi, but he did not say much. He said that he has already said what he had to yesterday. Let's quickly listen in to this segment.
सर डिसोल्यूशन करेंगे कि या फ्लो टेस्ट करेंगे?
सारी बात आपने कह दिया है, रिपीट आप बेकार कर रहे हैं।
सर फ्लो टेस्ट के लिए तैयार हैं? नंबर्स हैं आपके पास? So there you see it, not really wanting to comment, but he walked out with a smile.
Okay, let's now cut across live to both Rohit Kumar Singh, who joins us from Patna, from outside the governor's house, as well as Kamaljeet Sandhu, who joins us from outside the Bihar Nivas, where Kamaljeet, you asked those questions to Jitan Ram Manjhi. He was a little uncomfortable reiterating them. Should we read something into this discomfort in repeating what he has already said yesterday?
Well, the future is uncertain for him till he really goes to and meets the governor. He's on his way to Patna, but definitely what transpired between him and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is what is going to really unfold in the next few hours itself. BJP in terms has given the JDU's Jitan Ram Manjhi faction that sort of assurance that they can go ahead with the flow test, and that is why we can see that confident smile on Jitan Ram Manjhi's face. But definitely Nitish Kumar is not going to give up very easily. There is a tussle of power fight between Jitan Ram Manjhi, his own protege, and Nitish Kumar. So it's going to be a division between the JDU, clearly Lalu Prasad Yadav, Congress leaders, as well as the CPI supporting Nitish Kumar. Obviously Jitan Ram Manjhi is also claiming that he has that particular support. Now what is very important is what are the stakes for the BJP? They would want to keep Nitish Kumar as far as possible from the power. One of the reasons is that both Narendra Modi and Nitish Kumar never shared that good equation. Remember, Nitish Kumar went away when he got a serious drubbing in Lok Sabha elections. Now when there is a power, when Nitish Kumar wants to really come back, it is in the behest of BJP that ahead of assembly elections they keep Nitish Kumar away from that seat of power. That is where Jitan Ram Manjhi, who till a few months ago was only known as a rubber stamp, comes into play. He is obviously not giving up without a fight. He says he has the numbers. BJP is on his side. So obviously this is now going to go on, and obviously the facts are presented before the governor. He is again an NDA appointee. There is a certain neutrality which comes with the governor, but yes, when it comes to political gameplay of this sort, there is a certain advantage that BJP is going to be looking at. This is something that all eyes now really are on. The governor will eventually ask Jitan Ram Manjhi to prove his test, either go with the recommendation of dissolution of the House. Again, the numbers with the JDU are less at this point of time. So he's going with that flow test right now with the support of the BJP. And as some of the internal people are pointing out, that yes, the blessings of the BJP and in particular Narendra Modi are very much with Jitan Ram Manjhi. We'll see the power play really playing out in the next few hours.
Absolutely. Rohit, it's amazing that there is such open talk about cross-voting that will take place. The fact that BJP is going to extend support, whatever happened to the anti-defection law, all of it is being deliberated in public sphere as far as Bihar Assembly is concerned. Just take us through what sort of role is the governor going to play amid all of this. I believe he has a number of meetings lined up.
Well, absolutely. He has a number of meetings lined up. He has just arrived at the Raj Bhavan, outside which I am standing, and he is holding talks with the Principal Secretary Brajesh Malhotra over the political development that has taken place in the state in the last 2 to 3 days. And after that, 12:30 is his first event where the State Chief Information Commissioner Mr. Ashok Sinha will be sworn in by him. And after that, at that meeting, Jitan Ram Manjhi will also be present in his capacity as the Chief Minister. So Jitan Ram Manjhi will be getting a first audience with Kesari Nath Tripathi at 12:30. And after that, we are hearing that 1:30 is when Nitish Kumar, Sharad Yadav and also Lalu Prasad, all the three will be coming here along with the 130 MLAs which they are claiming are with them, and everyone will be here ready to be, if a parade is required, if the governor asks, okay, parade all the MLAs will be here at 1:30, and Nitish Kumar will be staking claim to form the next government, and Manjhi is also arriving at 12:30. And let me tell you, Manjhi is confident at this point of time. He says he has numbers with himself, and as I was telling you, he gets the strength from the fact that there is a division between RJD. There are a few MLAs who are not happy with Nitish Kumar, and they can like cross vote for in favor of Maji when floor test happen, if at all it happens on 20th of February. And also JDU has 111 MLAs in the assembly, but in that meeting of JDU legislature party only 97 were present. So there also 14 MLAs are missing. So now Maji gets the strength that he can cobble up numbers. BJP at this point of time, keeping only watching the situation. It has clearly said, Maji, the instruction is very clear. First you get the numbers, then we will think of whether supporting you or not supporting you.
Absolutely.
So now the ball is completely in Maji's court, whether he can cobble up that magical number of maybe 30 to 35 MLAs, and then he can talk to BJP whether they will give support to him or not.
Absolutely, Rohit. When it comes to Bihar as well as Uttar Pradesh, things like cross-voting, one party supporting the other, getting into an unholy alliance, and also perhaps one crucial thing that we are missing, Rohit, abstentions. All of that is going to, and walkouts, all of them could in fact be expected when that floor test actually happens. Thanks very much, Rohit, as well as Kamaljeet, getting us all the latest as far as the Bihar meltdown is concerned.